Your creative is killing your campaigns. Seriously, I see so many brands with incredible products getting zero results from their meta ads. They blame the algorithm, they blame their audience targeting, they blame everything except the real problem. The truth is, 90% of ads that fail do so because the creative is broken. It's the single biggest point of failure, but it's the one people are most afraid to fix. Here's the brutal truth about what's actually going on. First, your hook determines 80% of your ad's performance. 80%. Those first 3 seconds are everything. If you don't give someone a reason to stop scrolling, the rest of your ad is invisible. Second, testing random variations wastes money. Changing the button color from blue to green isn't a real test. It's a distraction. You're testing the wrong thing. So what actually works? It's not a secret, it's a formula. 1. A strong hook. Something that breaks their pattern and makes them look up. A clear benefit. In 1 second, they need to know what's in it for them. Don't talk about features, talk about their future. An obvious call to action. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next. Don't be clever, be clear. So here's my challenge for you. For your next campaign, I want you to do this. Stop obsessing over button colors and tiny headline tweaks. And start testing completely different angles. Test a user-generated content angle. Test a problem-solution angle. Test a behind-the-scenes angle. Test a hook that feels completely different from anything you've done before. Remember, great ad creative isn't art, it's science. Your job is to find the hypothesis that resonates with your audience and gives them a reason to stop scrolling. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more meta mastery.